to verify Ropro in Roblox. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you verify Ropro in Roblox. To do it so, you have to follow these steps. Open up your browser and type in Ropro and click on the link that appears at the top. You want to go ahead and add the extension to your Roblox. So click on Add to Chrome. As you do it so, confirm it, tap on Add Extension. As the extension has been added, you want to open a new tab, go to roblox.com and log into your account. After you're logged in, this is going to direct you to the home page. Next, you could see this section as Verify Ropro User. You want to click that out in order to verify. Go ahead and click on it. Now to verify, you have to go ahead and click on this arrow icon right over here, and it's going to be opened up in a Roblox game client. So make sure to click on the confirm button. Now you just have to wait patiently until it completely opens up and you'll be able to get the verification code. To get the verification, click on Generate Verification Code right in between. And it's gonna show you the verification code. So this is considered to be your verification. You want to select it all, click on or type in Ctrl+C on your keyboard and open up this page. Here you want to go ahead and select it first of all and type in Ctrl+V, and you've successfully verified your Ropro. This is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.